Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're rocking out with the best electronic drum sets of 2024. These top picks offer cutting-edge technology, realistic drumming experience, and versatility for every skill level. Let's explore the best electronic drum sets to help you beat the competition. Alesis Nitro Max. With its compact design and ultra-quiet Alesis mesh drum heads, Nitro Max raises the bar for drummers who are just starting out or have more experience. With Bluetooth, Nitro Max provides seamless playback and music streaming services. A large 10-tau dual-zone mesh snare for maximum playability and 3/8 mesh tom pads. A kick drum tower with kick drum pedal, a 10 crash cymbal with choke, a 10 ride, and a 10 hi-hat with foot controller are among the premium drum heads that provide a quiet yet natural response. All of these drum heads are mounted on a 4-post aluminum rack for maximum stability and flexibility. The box includes a power supply, drum sticks, drum key, and connection cables. Nitro Max includes 16 user-generated kits, 32 ready-to-play classic and contemporary kits from the well-known BFD drum sample library, and 400 drum, cymbal, and percussion sounds. It also includes 60 play-along tracks, a metronome, a sequencer, and a performance recorder. Roland TD-02KV. If you're just starting out, Roland's newest V drum is an incredibly compelling offering. It has studio-quality sounds that are among the best we've heard at this price range, a tidy and responsive bass drum and hi-hat controller pedal, and a Roland dual-ply mesh head on the snare pad. Additionally, the TD-02 module has Bluetooth support for playing music from your collection. This is a feature we've enjoyed seeing added to kits that are more affordable. However, an additional adapter will be required. While kits with more sounds and features and more expensive alternatives are available, our testing revealed that the TD-02KV is a well-rounded package that you'll want to use for months after purchase. With the addition of extensive coaching features for players in development, it is evident that Roland has given careful thought to who, what, and where this equipment is intended for. Alesis Strata Prime. The world of e-kits is experiencing an extremely exciting moment right now, with seemingly new innovations being released on a regular basis. These innovations range from wireless triggers to high-end features crammed into affordable kits. We knew this new flagship Alesis kit was going to be another game changer as soon as we sat behind it. The sleek touchscreen module, which includes 45 GB of sounds and the full version of BFD3, is the star of this show. It's the same as connecting your e-kit to a potent laptop. With this additional processing power and storage capacity, you can access a wealth of multi-layered, multi-mic, and multi-velocity samples that were all recorded in top-tier studios. Playing it was an absolute pleasure for us. Almost every kit is usable straight out of the box, and every dynamic of our playing is effortlessly and authentically recreated. Similar to BFD's desktop version, a plethora of adjustments can be made to every kit and individual sound, ranging from EQ and compression to stacking sounds using the incredibly useful stacks feature. With this kit, you can spend hours fine-tuning your perfect rig, or you can find a configuration you love right out of the box. EFnote 3X. EFnote's product designers, who have decades of combined experience working for ATV and Roland, have launched the brand successfully in 2018. We think the 3X is just amazing, and even though it's one of their less expensive kits, EFnote is a brand to watch because of its innovative technology and eye-catching aesthetics throughout its range. EFnote's distinctive gray cymbals go well with mesh pads with shallow shells in a textured black oak finish. One particularly noteworthy aspect of this kit is the stand-mounted hi-hat pad, which we thought was a great addition. Realistic response and reaction are produced by optical sensors that map the cymbal's motion in 3 dimensions. Although we encountered some issues with screen sensitivity and required some fairly involved menu diving, the minimalist module, which comes with a touch screen, is undoubtedly a departure from the norm and offers plenty to be excited about. While the onboard sounds are fantastic and nearly 100% usable right out of the box, we love how much sound editing capability is at your fingertips. Yamaha DTX6. If you're looking for a setup that offers fantastic sounds and lots of editing options, Yamaha's most recent electronic kit definitely checks all the boxes. There's plenty to be excited about, including one of the most comfortable bass drum towers we've tried, an acoustic-style hi-hat, and Yamaha's TCS silicone pads in the snare and tom positions. A lot of processing is possible with the DTX Pro module. The kit modifier controls on the top panel allow you to apply and adjust sounds in real time. Also, you can import your own samples and map them to the pads. We believe that a software editor for the kit would be beneficial in simplifying this process, but in the interim, you'll need to dedicate some time to fully understand the internal menu system. The DTX6K3X has all the makings of a high-quality E-drum set and is one of our top picks, but the affordable design of the pads makes them feel small. We would prefer a larger snare and floor tom pad. Roland TD-50K2. With a 3-layer head on the snare and 2-layer heads on the toms, Roland's renowned multi-ply mesh heads are featured on the TD-50K2, offering natural stick resistance and rebound for incredibly pleasing feel and response. A standard drum key allows you to adjust the tension to your liking, much like drum heads on acoustic drums. Large diameter playing surfaces and thin profiles for a natural feel and swinging motion are provided by the 14 and 16-inch crash cymbal pads, while the 3 10-inch tom pads and the KD-140 kick strike the ideal combination of reduced size and authentic playability. Smooth and sturdy, the MDS Grand 2 stand provides plenty of room for future upgrades to full-size V-drums kicks like the KD-180 or KD-220. You can quickly tweak the muffling and tuning or go in-depth and create a complete kit by choosing the cymbal qualities, drum head types, shell depths, and much more. And the kit can then be placed in the desired location using pure acoustic ambience, giving you complete control over parameters like stereo width, reverberation, and room type. Also here, Prismatic Sound Modeling's enormous expressive potential is fully realized by its innovative digital pad technology. That wraps up our review of the best electronic drum sets of 2024. Let us know in the comments which one caught your attention, or if there's another model you'd like us to review in the future. Your feedback matters to us.